Right, it's that time of year again when you probably need to change your wiper blades, and I'm just going to show you a really quick way to do this. You don't even need any tools. This is for a 2007 Rav4. We have here is the old one, and you probably would want to get like a towel or something to make sure you don't break your window or crack it. So basically, and the reason why is when you take this off and you accidentally let go of this thing, it'll snap down and it might hit your windshield. So you want to prevent that from happening. So basically, some of the mounts are different on the wiper blades, but with this one at least, you'll see that all you need to do is squeeze the two tabs right here on the right and left, and it pops down like this, and then you literally pull this down, and that's pretty much it. See how it just came out of the hook? It's got a hook type of a mount. And then here's the new one. This one's a little different. It's got this little tab here, so you can see there. And so basically you lift that tab, and then again you take the hook, you insert it, this, oops, sorry, insert it all the way in, and then you push it back up, and then you lock that in place, and that's pretty much it. I already did the first one, so it's a rinse and repeat for that, and then you're pretty much done. And then for the rear, here's a new one. And for the rear, it's kind of weird because sometimes you can't figure out how to get this up, at least to take this off. But it literally is, if you look at this, you have to just lift off the sides, this, and it snaps back up like that. So, and then you lift this up, and then if you lift it like this, the old wiper blade, it kind of gets stuck. So it's kind of tricky, or it feels like you're gonna break something, but literally you just literally pop it up like that, and then you pull it out. So that's pretty much it. Look at that. That was pretty easy. Here's the new one. Same thing. Pretty much snap it in. And then you pull this back down. That's it. Real simple, a couple minutes, not even 2-3 minutes, and you're done. All right, hope you liked that video. This is Beyond Soup, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope that you guys would join the channel.